how to update Fortnite on PS4. What is going on, guys? Hemi Jarvis here, back again with another YouTube video. So look, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to update your video games, how to update Fortnite on your PlayStation 4 console. You can do this with all of your games, though, not just Fortnite. I mean, if you want to update Grand Theft Auto, you want to update Naruto, Storm, whatever games you have on your Xbox, this video will show you how to update each and every last one of those video games. All right, so what I highly recommend you guys do is pay attention, watch this whole entire video all the way to the end so that you don't miss out on any of the steps. And if this video helps you out even a little bit, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. I will highly appreciate that. That will help my channel grow. And the more my channel grow, the more I can provide more and more content for you guys. All right. And I enjoy providing content for you guys. So, all right. So let me show you guys what you need to do. It's simple. The first thing you're going to do, guys, to make sure your games are all updated. And I'm talking about all of your games, not just Fortnite. This video is particularly for Fortnite, but this is for all of your games. You simply going to go over all the way to the end here until you run into the library, all right? And the reason you're going to go to the library is because, of course, the library has all of your video games. All right. It's going to show you each and every last one of the games that you have on your PlayStation 4 console. And that's the reason you want to go to the library. All right. So as you can see, when I go inside of my library, all of this stuff right here, this is everything. Apps, games, everything. All right. So this trick that I'm about to show you in this video is going to help you not just update your games, but you can also update the apps as well. Just make sure your whole console make sure everything on your console is just updated. And you're basically going to be doing this manually, just in case your game doesn't do it automatically, you're going to do it manually. So, what you want to do, if you want to just update games by itself, then just go to the games tab. If you want to just update applications by themselves, then just go to the application tabs. All right. Now we want to update Fortnite, right? So I'm going to go up to the games tab. Once you're on this game tab here, you're going to scroll over to the game that you want to update. In our case, it's going to be Fortnite. So I'm going to go right here to Fortnite. Let me click on it real quick. Okay, let me just see something. Okay. All right, so, and let me go back. All right, so you just hover over the game that you want to update. So put the cursor thing over the game that you want to update. Then what you're going to do from here is you're going to grab your PlayStation 4 controller. You're going to click on this option button right here in the middle of your PlayStation 4 controller, which is right here. So click the option button. All right, once you click option, you see that little screen had popped up on the right side of my television. So that little screen is the settings where you can go and do either one of these things, whether you want to delete the game, whether you want to close an application, you want to start an application. You would do it all from this boxing menu here. Now, what we want to do is we want to check for updates because, again, we're trying to update Fortnite. So what you would want to do is you want to hover over check for updates. And if you click X on it, you will see, you can read this here. It says the installed application is the latest version. Therefore, for my console, personally, my game is already updated. All right. So I don't really need to to update anything. And if I did have to update anything, it would show right here on this screen. And all you would have to do is follow whatever directions they want you to follow on that screen. That's it. And that is how you update Fortnite. Okay. So for me though, it's saying that I don't need to update my Fortnite because the installed application is the latest version already. It's already updated. So I'll just hit OK. Let me try Grand Theft Auto just to see if this game is updated. I think all of mine are updated because I think my system does it automatically, but this is how you do it, guys, if you was just trying to figure out how to do it manually for yourself. So check for update. Boom. Mine is already, again, it's already updated to the latest version, so don't have to worry about it there. And I think all of these games are. Let me just check them all just in case, just to make sure. But guys, this is basically all you have to do. Update history, check for updates. Boom. All right, look like it's already updated. Let me go here to The Last of Us, check for updates. Where is it? Check for update. Yeah, it's already so if yours are not updated, then you're gonna go and update them all. But it looks like all of the games on my console are updated, so I don't really have to worry about that. But while you guys are here, that is how you do it, guys. That's how you update Fortnite. You simply go over to the game you want to update. You hit options right here. Oh no, that's not a game. Let me go to games. You go over to Fortnite. You would hit options on your controller, and you would go to where is it? Check for update. That's how you do it. So hopefully this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Again, I'm going to say this. Be sure to subscribe. Again, let me say this again because I don't know if y'all heard me. Be sure to subscribe. Wait a minute. I don't know if you heard me one more time. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. The reason you want to do that is because I'm going to be uploading more videos. The PlayStation 5 is going to be here pretty soon, so I will be making videos. But while y'all here, check out these LED lights. Y'all can get them lights in y'all room as well. Let me turn off the lights so y'all can see it. But y'all can get these lights in your room. Check the description for the links. But hold on. Check out how cool this is. One time. Let me just show y'all this. Boom. Pretty dope, right? Basically turning this room into a game room. I got a lot of, I'm gonna make a video showing y'all the whole thing, but this controller controls everything just to show y'all. So PlayStation is blue, so let me get a blue light. Boom. These lights are in my description if you guys would like to check that out for yourself. I mean, if you like to order it or whatnot, but yeah, I just thought that was pretty cool. I thought I'd show that to you guys. And my computer also has it as well. Hold on, I'm gonna just show y'all this, then I'm gonna finish this video off. Because reason I'm showing y'all, because I know y'all would probably want me to make a video on how to install these lights and stuff in your room. So I'm thinking of doing that. So hold on, let me just show y'all this. Check it out. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. All right, if y'all guys are interested in that, go ahead and leave a like on this video and let me know if y'all want me to make a video about these lights and stuff and how to install them in your room. But let me get back to this video here where I was showing y'all how to update Fortnite. So where was I? Oh yeah, so let me get the controller. So yeah, when you're doing Fortnite, man, just scroll over your game, hit options, boom, on your controller, and this is where you would check for update. One more time. I'm just showing y'all this one more time because I know a lot of people still didn't get it. You just check for updates. You hit X on the one that you want to update. And right here, guys, it's only showing this on mine right now because my game is already updated. Again, yours might not be updated. And that's the reason you want to check and see if it is updated. And if it isn't, it's going to leave it's going to tell you how to update it right here. And all you have to do is click OK or whatnot. And that's how you do it. Now, I'm going to say this one more time, and I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. If you want to leave a like, if you could, I'm just asking a quick favor. If you guys could leave a like on this video, I would highly appreciate it. It will help my channel grow. The more my channel grow, the bigger I can get, and the more I grow, the more I can provide content for you guys. So go ahead and subscribe. I would highly recommend that you subscribe to this channel if you want more videos on, you know, gaming material and stuff like that. And then I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.